This is how to quickly reverse your position on TradingView. Now, as you can see from the chart, this is the chart of Bitcoin, and I am long 10 Bitcoin. You see a little icon here, reverse position. You click on this icon. Are you sure you want to reverse BTUSD position? Click reverse position. So I was long 10 and the system sold 20 Bitcoin at market price. And now I am short 10 Bitcoin just with one click. Doing that again. Are you sure? Reverse position. I am back to 10. So this is how to quickly reverse your position through the TradingView platform. This is when you say you are long a market and it hit your target, and now you want to see it. Say you are long and it hit your resistance level, and now you want to quickly reverse your position because you expect it to go back down. You just click on that reverse position and you go from long to short, short to long, etc. This is how to quickly reverse your position on TradingView.